Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D printer assembled innovation with 2.8 Smart Touch color screen offline print 4.53. Easy to use, easy to set up, leveling was a breeze. Software is relatively simple to use. Only 4 settings, far fewer settings to adjust versus FDM printer. The incredible resolution make tiny parts with accuracy, much smoother detail and quality than the FDM printer. Fast shipping, multiple models on a build plate don't add to the build time. A larger miniature takes about 2 to 3 hours, 6 at once takes the same 2 to 3 hours. The industrial quality, all of the faces, have a perfect satin finish. Any curves, chamfers, or bevels are flawless. All of the blue bits and all of the red knobs are anodized. The after-sales service, all Anycubic 3D printers are backed with lifetime technical support. Any questions regarding product operation or software, please feel free to contact us. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.